Recording in progress.
Good morning, everyone. Sitting in yesterday's session, we discussed some character functions are discussed. The character functions LPAD, RPAD, L3 margin, and replace, translate. These are all yesterday's session we completed. And today we will discuss about one more character function is concat function. Sir, what's the name? Concat. Concat means used to add or concat two strings at a time. Used to add or concat two strings at a time. Okay. Now, see one example, guys. Here, I log into my window. Username is ORA7AM by password is Tiger. Now, select concat of Naresh, comma, IT from here. So both strings are concatenated. It becomes as a Naresh IT. It becomes as Naresh IT becomes as a single word. This is the concatenation. Okay, guys. This is the concatenation. Now see here. Select concat of Naresh, comma, IT, comma, Hyderabad I am placing. Hyderabad here I am placing. From here. Here I am placing how many words? 3 words. Naresh, comma, IT, comma, Hyderabad. See, you will get one error, invalid number of arguments. Why? Because only 2 strings supported, sir, not more than 2. Okay, here you will get error message. Now, if you want to concat these multiple functions, then nested functions are required. Nested functions. What are the nested functions? Select concat of, again, concat of Naresh, comma, IT, comma, Hyderabad. From here. Here, what happens, guys? Here, what happens, guys? First, inner function is executed. Inner function is concat of Naresh IT. Concat of Naresh IT. Now, added 2 strings, it becomes as a single string. Now, Naresh IT, the output is Naresh IT becomes as a single string. Now, inner function output inner function output to taken as input as an outer function. So concat of Naresh IT, comma Hyderabad. So Naresh IT Hyderabad. Sir, I want to require spaces also, sir. If you want spaces, guys, you can use space here. Okay, here you can give the comma here, and here you can use the dot here. So Naresh area Hyderabad. Everything is you can do. Comma, space here, IT, comma, Hyderabad, full stop. Okay, but guys, here I want to add Amirpet Hyderabad, sir. One more thing I want to add. Naresh IT, Amirpet Hyderabad. Now, one more concat is required. Concat of. Three functions are required, guys. Three functions are required. The formula is number of strings minus 1. That number of functions are required. Right now, here we are using how many strings we are concatenating? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2 concatenating functions are required. If you want to concat 4 strings, 4 minus 1, 3 concat is required. If you try to add 6 strings, 6 minus 1, 5 concatenation function required, means concat of. But it is complicated. Better run. So in this scenario, to concat multiple strings continuously, then Oracle provided concatenation operator. Operator is 5 symbols. 5 symbols. This is in C language, it is called as a logical OR. But here it is a concatenation operator. How it is? See one example. Select Naresh, comma, concatenation, IT, comma, concatenation, Hyderabad, concatenation. Or else if you want to add Naresh at Amirpet, comma, Hyderabad. From here, see Naresh IT, Amirpet, Hyderabad. Simply we are using these 5 symbols in between strings. In between strings. This is the concatenation operator, guys. Okay. So by using this operator, we need to write different examples. We need to practice also by using our apply table. So write a query to display following format of loops. First one is Mr. Smith is working as a clerk. I want to display this output. Mr. Smith is working as a working as a clerk and getting annual salary rupees something. I want display output in this scenario. Okay. Mr. Smith is working as a clerk. Mr. Smith is working as a clerk and getting annual salary. So each and every employee record I want to display. See, this is our employee. I am taking employee name and job. Both column values here I am taking. The both column values I try to concat with some strings. Okay. How it is? See, Mr. Unit cap of Unit means that is called initial capital letter. Unit kappa means suppose first name is taken from employee table. Smith. Mr. Smith. Mr. is required. So Mr. concatenation. Mr. string is concatenated with the E name. Okay. Mr. Smith again concatenation is working as a job from PM. So what the job now? Clerk. Mr. Smith is working as a clerk. Mr. Allen is working as a salesman, just like that. Observe this. Okay, guys, understand? No? Same like the below query. Below query is small extension above query, right? Working as a job and getting annual salary rupees, salary start profit as annual salary. I take alias. How the annual salary come is salary start all, no? Okay. Mr. Smith is working as a clerk and is getting annual salary rupees 9,600. Mr. Allen is working as a salesman, is getting annual salary rupees 19,200. Just like in this case. Okay. This is the query, guys, by using concatenation operator. By using this operator, we can concat multiple strings continuously. We can concat. Okay. Right. Next one is SUB STR. SUB STR. That is called substring. What you call substring? We can substring. So substring means it displays substring from given string. It displays substring from given string. It displays substring. Okay. Right. It displays substring from given string. Now, see, guys. Select substring of I given Ramakrishna given Ramakrishna comma 6 I given. So here my given string is Ramakrishna. This is my given string. From the Ramakrishna, I pass one argument of 6 I am passing. What is the meaning of 6? The 6 represented a substring starting from 6th position. Substring starting from 6th position. What is the 6th position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From K to total record displays. Observe this. From K to total record means that is. Okay, guys. So 6 represented substring starting from 6th position onwards. Substring starting from 6th position onwards. That is. Right, guys. Next query. So 6 comma 4 or 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 means I want to display substring from first character to 4 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called starting, ending positions also you can specify. Okay, that is. Right, guys. Okay, so 1 represented substring starting from first character or first position. 4 represented number of occurrences. Number of occurrences. That is. Next one is substring of Ramakrishna comma -7. -7. -7 means once you get the positive value, starting from first position onwards. But -7 means right to left side. Right to left position is counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Control come to this K. What we are thinking? It is plus Rama. No, sir. Displays Krishna only. Means only the position is counting from right to left, but output displays left to right only. In every example, position is counting from left to right, right or wrong. But here, right to left, it is okay. This is called as a minus value. Here, I write on that point also here. Left to right. Okay. Next, by default, output displays left to right. By default, output displays or substring. Right or wrong? So 6 is counting from left to right or wrong? Yes. Output displays also left to right only. This is fixed, sir, by default. But here what happens? -7 means substring position is counting from right to left. Right to left. But Substring displays left to right. So position is counting from right to left. Position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This sound character. But output displays left to right only. Here Krishna will display. This is a substring function. Sir, where can I exactly use this substring? Where can I use this substring function? Where you can use it exactly? See one example, guys. Write a query to display. Write a query to display whose names starting and ending characters are same. Write a to display whose name starting ending characters are same. Hemant, H. Hemant, starting H, ending H. Archana, starting A, ending A. Madam, starting A, ending A. Lyril, starting L, ending L. I want to display that type of names. Okay, how to display? So, first we try to update the template table, the type of names, because we don't have. Update emp set ename equal to Archana. Where employee number equal to employee. Next one is Hammond. So 7521. Sorry. Next one is G6. Here updated some employee names updated. Check your table data. Where is Archana is there, Hammond is there, and Adam also is there. I want to display those names right now. This is also one of the three question guys. How to display whose name starting endings? Select. Select. Ename from emp where substring of ename comma 1 is equal to 1 from employee name. From employee name, it takes first position to first character. First character means yes, is taking. Second employee name A is taking M, J. Just like only take it is taking only first character. The first character value is equal to substring of ename comma -1 comma. -1 means right to left. From right to left, first position to first character. H is taking. Here, first character to first character. This is the last one to first character. So S equal to H. Matched? No. A equal to N matched? No. M equal to M? Yes. Yes. These names are discussed. Starting and ending characters are same. Okay. The next one is suppose I have an account number. Suppose I want to increment account number. The account number is suppose ICICI 1, ICICI 2, ICICI 3. I want to generate the account numbers in this scenario, guys. But here, next account number I want to generate 4. But we cannot generate directly 4, 5, 6, ICICI 4, ICICI 5. It's not possible because this is alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data, we cannot do any increment and decrement. It's not possible. Number means you can do the increment, right or wrong. But how to increment next 4? I want to generate ICICI 4 account number. In this scenario, we try to split this one. We want to split this one. I want to display only one only. I want to take only 3 only from this. How to take now? Again, substring. Select substring of ICICI 3. Okay. Comma. What to write down? 1 comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 I write down. We are splitting this one. ICICI splitting. And I want to display 3 only. 3 means after 5 you can display. From 6 position onwards you can display. Okay. 3 plus 1 what happens? 3 plus 1 4 na. The 4 we can use a substitute. Concatenation. ICICI concatenation. This. Enough guys. See. Okay. Actually it becomes as a number. No? Number means here it is not concatenated. This value you can put in the character type. You should be converted. Then it is possible. Numbers we cannot do concatenation because right now we are discussing character functions. Character function supports only character values. But 4 becomes as a number here. Number is not concatenated. So then what we can do, guys? We can use some function is required. Actually, we discuss later, guys. 2 carry is required. 2 carry is required. Then it is possible. We discuss later about this 2 char. 2 char means that value is converted into character format. ICICI or after this case, what is use of this substring? Understand? No? In real time we are using these scenarios we are using actually. If you want to split the word, this is we are using substring. Okay. Right, guys. The next one is INSTR. What is INSTR? Instinct function. INSTR means instinct. So this function used to displace searched string position. Used to display searching string position. What is the searching string position? I give one string. In the string, I want to find one word or I want to find one character. I have to find where that character position, where it is available, what the position of that character. What the position of character it displays. That is called INSTR. Suppose I given Rama. I want to find the M position. Where the M is available? 3rd position. RAMA. So if you give the Rama, if you want to find the M position, how much M position is 3? So you are asking doubt, sir, okay, I want to find the A, sir. I want to find the A. Which position written, sir? Second position or fourth position? M is only single character, okay. But I want to find A, sir. At that time, you say to system clearly how many times to search A. If you want to search only one time, it displays 2. If you want to search 2 times, it displays 4. That is depends upon our searching parameters. Understand? Huh? This is important, guys. Again, STR is important. Okay? Right. So, see, one example case. First, I give some, right, what I discussed, Rama, I did give. Select INSTR of Rama, comma. I want to find M, comma, 1, comma, 1 from here. It displays 3 displays. How it displays 3? First of all, what is the parameters right now we are passing? In this INSTR, what is meaning of M? M is searching character. Searching character. First one is searching starting from first character onwards. That is left to right. I want to search M from first cat onwards. What about the second one? Second one. How many times to be searching? How many times to be searched? Only one time. So starting from R, I want to search M only one time. It's going on, going on, going on. Yes, it is there. What is the position? The note position, searched string position. Searched string position is counting from first cat onwards. Searched string position is counting from third cat onwards. Sorry, first cat onwards. Okay. Guys, once again explain. Rama is my input string. From that input string, I want to search M. Searching starting from first cat onwards. Yeah. I want to search one time. Okay. Searching is going on. Yes, one time is true. What is position? 1, 2, 3. Same, I get to place A. 2 times I want to search. 2 times. Searching character is A. Searching starting from first corner. I want to search 2 times. One time is finished. This is second time. The second condition is 4. Okay. Here what happens? A is the searching character. 2 is the number of times to be searched. You know. After searching is completed, the position is counted. Okay. But right now I give right now 3 times. Is it 3 times available A? One time is okay. Second time is third time is available? No. Okay, it is not going to cycling, sir. It is not going to cycling. It is searching only. One time, second time. There is no third time. See here, 0 return. Means the searching string is not returns any value. By default, 0. By default, 0. Three times to be searched. So by default, 0. Because there is no A in third time. Only 2 times we have. Right, guys? This is one of the example of substring. Sorry, INSTR. This is one of the example of INSTR. Okay, right. Now, but where you can use this INSTR in real-time application? One example. Okay, before going to this, one more example we have. One more example. -1, comma 1. -1, comma 1 right now here. -1 means I want to searching starting from -1. -1 is from here, right to the left now. I want to search how many times? So one time only. Here it is 2. Here, -1 means searching starting from right to the left. I want to search A one time. One time, first time is true. Right or wrong? First time is true. What is the position? 1 return. 4 returns. Because position is 4 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here again, once again explain here. See, once you do the practice thoroughly, these we can understand easily, guys. Otherwise, you are becomes a confusion actually. What happens? -1, +1, 2, 5. What is the meaning of this? So -1 means -1 means searching starting first cat onwards from right to left, guys. From right to left. From right to left. One time to be searched. But searching position is counting first cat onward, that is left to right fixed. Anytime the position is counting from left to right, sir. That is fixed. Anytime. Here, -1 means I want to search A from right side onwards. How many times I want to search? Only one time. Yes, it is true. One time is true. First time it is true. What the position? 1, 2, 3, 4. Anytime, sir, if you give that -1 or +1, after searching the character, the position is counting from by default left to right only. Pixels, sir. This is okay. Now, one example. Write a query to display position of space from given string. My given string is American header. I want to display this position of space position. I want to display space position. How to write, guys? Select INSTR of American Hyderabad, comma American Hyderabad, comma I want to find the space. First cat onwards. One time I want to find the space. Space from first cat onwards I want to find. One time I want to find the space. Searching is going on. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. What is the position of the space? American contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Space is the 9. Space is the 9. See here. Space is the 9. Okay. This available in 9th position. Okay. Now, one more example, guys. See, guys, in real time, the client is given one input actually. The client is given one input. Okay, that input is available in text file, means .txt. So that input we try to insert into our employee database table. Okay, so client is given input employee number, employee name, and he is given a Hyderabad. Address is given. The employee address is Amirpet, Hyderabad. Second one, Scott, Panjaguta, Hyderabad. 3, James. Okay, James. So, Markaz. Secunderabad. These are inputs are given by client. This information I want to store in the employee table. I create one employee table. But see, the client requirement is in database table, we need to maintain the employee column, one column, the employee name column. Generally, we are maintaining address. Na? But client is saying, sir, not address. In this address, it contains Amirpet, Hyderabad is there. Amirpet is street name, Hyderabad city. Panjagota is street name, Hyderabad is city. Better. Now you want to store street one column, city is another column. Okay, guys. Here what happens? Employee ID 1, employee name King, street is Amirpet, Hyderabad is city. 2, Scott, Panjagutta, Hyderabad. 3, James, Malkaji. Secunderabad. Right. Right, guys. Right, guys. So, how to display this one? How to display this one? Right, guys. See, I want to display first Amirpet. Means I want to split this word. Amirpet one word, Hyderabad is another word. How it is possible? To display Amirpet. Here, observe this, guys. From the total string, I want to display some part of the string, right or wrong? From the total string, I want to display some part of the string I want to display. Some part of the string is here, this one. To display some part of the string, then we try to use substring, we try to use. Okay, na? SUB str of Amirpet Hyderabad, comma. From this Amirpet Hyderabad, I want to display Amirpet. Means substring starting from first position onwards. Okay. How many characters I want to display? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 we try to give. So once I execute this query, Amirpet displays, sir. Yes. Amirpet displays, no problem. But the thing is, each and every time street contains same 8 characters, sir? No. Panjagutta. How many characters, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 characters. But once you give 8 means what happens? Up to here only displays. Right or wrong? So here Malkajgiri, suppose it contains 11 characters. But we don't know exactly the street contains exactly 8 characters. Sometimes contains SR Nagar, only 7 characters only. Right or wrong? Yes. Then how to split this one? We want to write the query dynamically, guys, not static. This is a static query. This is a static query. It is a static query, guys. Okay. So to display dynamically, dynamically means you try to input either this one or this one or this one. Exactly displays street name. How to display? See, select substring of Amirpet, Hyderabad, comma, 1 comma, up to here pixel, guys. Substring starting first cat onwards, na? Okay. But ending position we don't know because here 8, here 10, here 11. We don't know exactly the position of ending character. We don't know exactly. Here 8, 10, here 11. Then what we can do, guys? The logic is space is the logic. Space is the logic. Once you find the position of the space, how much position of the space? Amirpet 8 characters, space is the 9, 9. So 1 to 9 displays. Here I want to find the position of space position. Here 11, 1 to 11 displays. Here 12, 1 to 12 displays. Right or wrong? So space is the logic. Space is the logic. How to find the space position? Here we discussed already. Right or wrong? That's why I discussed this example for understanding purpose. Now, here the number of occurrences is not fixed here. In place of this, I want to find the position of space. I want to find the position of space. Here, the same here, I tend to write down this. From here. Observe this, guys. First inner function is executed. What is the inner function? From this Amirpet Hyderabad, I want to find the space position. How much, guys? 9, right? How much returns, sir? 9 returns. Returns 9. We know already, na? Here, space. From first cat onwards. I want to find the space. One time only I want to find the space. This is the one time. So, what is the position of this one? Amirpet 8 characters. Space is the 9. That is, space is the 9. Now, substring of Amirpet Hyderabad, comma 1, comma 9. 1, comma 9 means substring of Amirpet Hyderabad. From this, I want disclose substring from 1 to 9 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Space also displays. Observe this. Yes. Amirpet, space also. Sir, space not required, sir. Why space is not required? Na? Simple, guys. Right now, this function is right now how much, guys? 9, na? I can do -1. So the instinct function is 9, sir. 9 minus 1, 8. Exactly, I meant by discourse. Sir, we want to input one more different string, sir. Then check it out. Here, I'm changing only. Just I'm changing only input, guys. I'm not changing any other thing. Punjab. See? Exactly displays Punjab. Are you placing any 1, 8, 1, 10? No. This is the use of substring instinct functions. Okay. Okay. Next one is to display city name. To display city name. How to display city name? Anybody can guess how to display Hyderabad? I want to display, guys. I want to display Hyderabad. To display only Hyderabad, what is the starting position? Now starting position is dynamic. Because here starting position is 9, 10, here 12, right or wrong? So I can remove this starting position here. Starting position I write down instinct function +1. Enough, guys. Completed. How it is executing? Substring of Amirpet Hyderabad, comma. Right now, this function returns, we know space position is 9. Na? From this Amirpet Hyderabad, what is space position? 9, sir. 9 plus 1? 10. So, substring of Amirpet Hyderabad, comma, 10. 10th position onwards, this what the 10th position? Amirpet already 8 characters, space is the 9, H is the 10. Yes, it is. If you take Panjagutta, yes, I have put this. Right, guys? So this is the use of our substring instinct functions in real time. Okay. Fine. That's why if you try to input your name in single string, then automatically system can divide into first name, last name. Right or wrong? But if you want to find this middle name, suppose means C, Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. I want to split separately, sir. Amirpet one word. Hyderabad is another word. India is another. How to split this one? You try to try yourself first. We can display this one. We can display this one also. We can display. This is the logic, guys. Important is this one is important. Middle name. If you want to display middle name, we have some complicated logic is there. But once you understand this concept, then it comes. But little bit complicated actually to display this. Amirpet we can display already. Hyderabad also we can display easily. India. How to display India? Two spaces plus one. Here we write down only one space now. We try to find the space from first character. One time I want to search now. Here we write down two. Two times space is searching. This is the position. The position one means this is. No problem at all. We can display. Amirpet also we can display. Amirpet means above formula only. But the thing is the Hyderabad to display a little bit complicated. Okay, try to write how to split these three words separately. Okay, this is the one thing. Next assignment is write a query to display usernames and subscriber names separately. King@gmail.com. Krishna@yahoo.co.in. Okay. Ajay. Mohan @redditmail.com. These are the names. I want to display Kingu Krishna Ajay Mohan separate names. Gmail.com, yahoo.co.in, and redditmail.com. I want to display separate. These are I want to do separate. From this, we have one key character is there. I am not saying that what is the key character. You can find out and you can write the query. Okay, guys? Right. So, any doubts in today's session, guys? Okay. Right. So, we'll continue next session tomorrow with these examples. After that, we have the different functions are there. Date functions are there. We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Fine.
Recording stopped.